Good morning guys, I'm Elle. Welcome back to my channel. It's a whole new year, it's a whole new thing. Let's do it. Today I've got a clean and undecorate with me. In the beginning of the new year is my favorite of all the clean with me videos because it really feels like you're getting a whole life reset. So I'm hoping that it's gonna give you tons of motivation today to get off your cute booty and do all the cleaning and decorating and organizing that you need to do. You know, all those New Year's resolutions that we set. So first thing I'm doing is taking all my Christmas decor down and putting it away, and also making sure that I get a good dance break in with Cohen. It's not cleaning in my house unless there's a dance party. Anyone else? Let me know in the comments. So while I am taking all the Christmas decorations down, Brighton was playing with one of my Christmas presents that I got, which is my Dolly Parton book. This is the most beautiful coffee table book, guys. I'm gonna link it in the description. If you are as much of a Dolly Parton fan as I am, check this book out. It is beautiful and it has all the song lyrics and, you know, stories behind how she wrote the song she did. It's so, so gorgeous. I love it. One thing that I decided to incorporate into my, all season decor was these wooden logs that I had stacked as part of my Christmas decor. I just really like that it brings in that hygge feel, coziness, the comfort. And so I decided to take it down and have a smaller amount, but just, keep a few of them up. And I think it makes a huge difference in the vibe that I create in the living room. Once all the Christmas decor is down, it is time to get down to the bare bones of just giving the house a good old scrub. After each surface is clean is when I like to bring out what I call my all-season decor. And really the trick with decorating is just playing around. If it doesn't look right, play around with it a little bit more till you get something that you like. I find using odd numbers, but even more importantly, altering textures and heights really helps from a visual perspective. But my biggest tip is just play around with it, change things around, step back, take a break, and eventually you'll find a combination that you like. I also decided to clean my linen curtains. It had been, if I'm being honest, we're all friends here, right? It had been a long time since I had taken these off the rods and cleaned them properly. I'm kind of annoyed though because these are from Anthropologie. They have cheaper ones at Target. Get the Target ones, not the Anthropologie ones. I'm annoyed because they shrunk in the dryer even though I followed the wash instructions. Next, I cleaned off this table. It had gotten ruined with some, stains and stuff, and so I ended up actually giving it one more coat of the paint and then also varnishing it just so that it's more durable for 2021.
Mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how.
I made this 3D model of my grand's cottage, West Cottage, which is what my pottery store is named after, and it's where I hold my matches for my candles, and it just helps, remind me of West Cottage, which to me always felt like sacred land.
My head high while we're crossing the land, with all the minds we laid down. It's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it is tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than
I was a stranger in this city, out of town where the people I knew.
The next spot I decided to tackle was my entryway. Again, just giving everything a really good clean.
like like a song about our past. So I'll just hello darkness, my old friend. They're running around. Won't you come in?
So you'll see here that I'm playing around with the decor till I get a combination that I like. I'm playing around with heights, with textures, and number of objects, stepping back, taking some breaks, and eventually I found a combination that I liked. Now that I had switched out my Christmas books, it was time to load my kids' book center with my more kind of all-season books for the various ages. And I feel like the new year gives us all motivation to really want to get organized and just feel like we're kind of getting our crap together, for lack of a better term. And so this is a good time to go through all your kids' toys and give everything a good sanitary clean, especially with COVID still happening. And it just kind of feels like you get a nice little life reset. So I went ahead and organized the kids' toys, sanitized everything, and cleaned the bins that they were in.
Next to me, close your eyes and we'll be free.
I have an upcoming project video that I'm going to be sharing where I'm turning my back entryway into a really custom, beautiful piece. I'm so excited to share that video. I haven't even done it yet, to be honest, but I have big plans and I think it's gonna make a huge impact. So definitely keep your eyes out for that video because it's gonna be coming soon.
Find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight.
Next area was my dining area. I made sure to not only give the table a good clean, but also each chair and the chair legs because kids are messy.
I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those
The kitchen is always the biggest part of my cleaning. Let me know in the comments what area of your house always seems to get the dirtiest or the messiest, and what area do you really struggle to keep clean. For me, it's the kitchen. I mean, it is literally the center point of my house. It's also an open concept home, and it's where people tend to gather. But by the end of the day, every single day in my kitchen, it looks like a bomb went off. And so I am always struggling to keep it clean, and whenever I'm cleaning my house in general, the kitchen always seems to be where I need to spend the most amount of time.
I'll never get it right. I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
I wanted to share again my Sink Deodorizing DIY because a lot of you liked it in my other videos and were asking for the recipe again. And it's super simple. You fill a jar up half with baking soda, top it with some lemon essential oil, and then fill it up to the top with more baking soda, a little bit more lemon essential oil. Give it a good shake, and then all you have to do is spread it around the sink every night. Add a bit of dish soap to a sponge or a scouring pad and give the sink a good clean. It deodorizes, it gets rid of kind of any stains or scratches, and it makes your sink look brand new.
You're making time. What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time. You will find a way. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You
very last thing to do is to vacuum the floors and then mop the floors. Whether I'm doing a zone cleaning or if I'm doing more of like a wave cleaning system, I always do the floors last. To me, it just seems like the culmination of cleaning, that I clean all the surfaces and decorate everything, and then at the very end I give a really good vacuum and a really good mop. Let me know in the comments, do you guys vacuum and mop room by room and clean room by room, or do you always leave the floors to last? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope it gave you tons of cleaning motivation. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. I have so many amazing room makeovers and decor videos coming up for this year. I'm so excited to share them with you. And also make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm at elle.lindquist. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.
My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.